Welcome back. Today I'm making a caramel cheesecake and I am starting with my crust. I have here some Biscoff cookies. You can use the cookies of your choice, but today I'm using these Biscoffs because this is what I have. So let's get started. Well, this thing needs to be plugged in. Add a quarter cup of sugar. Let's blend this up. And then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay. This will go into the oven for about 10 minutes. Let's make our cheesecake filling. In the mixer, I have 3 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese. These are at room temperature. Let's cream them. To this, I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Let's scrape down the side of the bowl. Let's add our eggs. It's 3 eggs. I'm going to be adding 1 at a time. So let's get started. Let's add 1/2 cup of sour cream. These are all room temperature. Milk, cream cheese, eggs are all room temperature. And I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Last but not least, my vanilla. About 2 tablespoons of caramel in here. That's one, then we're gonna do two, and we are good to go. Do one last scrape down. Let me just toss that around a little bit before pouring it in the pan. Make sure everything is captured. Then we're gonna pour it in the pan, pour our filling in. Let's put our caramel on top. I made my own caramel. Here's our finished product. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.